away and running. Molly by Golly fast off the mark. Capote West showing good speed from the rail. DeVille breaks well. Hidden Grove also well up with that red cap, racing up the backstretch. Capote West and Molly by Golly a neck apart, with Hidden Grove well up running in third. On the outside, the Rideman newcomer, Right Moment a close fourth. DeVille fifth. Sparky Joan is sixth. Mambo Rose is sixth in the front. Inside Mambo Rose once more. Then a break in the field to KC April Fool, whistling the tune. Samba G, that newcomer. Sarah Lane's Destiny is running 12th and last. The opening quarter, 22-3 as they come toward the quarter pole. Molly by Golly and Capote West. These two fillies together as they turn for home for this long run in. Here's Hidden Grove now into the left-handed stick. And DeVille has been switched out. 4 across the course in the final furlong and a half. Molly by Golly is quickened in front of Hidden Grove. DeVille on the stand side. Capote West with no extra. Then Sparky Joan and Mambo Rose close home. Here's DeVille charging at Molly by Golly. Hidden Grove in tight. Up toward the wire. Gerard Melanson and DeVille just. DeVille from Molly by Golly in a near miss. Hidden Grove third. And then Capote West, Sparky Joan, Mambo Rose.